How to reset your Vizio TV back to its original settings. Super easy. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the menu, grab your Vizio remote and press the menu button. Step 2. Go to System Settings, scroll down and select System from the menu options. Step 3. Select Reset option. Now scroll to Reset in Admin. Here you'll see the option Reset TV to Factory Settings. Select it. Step 4. Confirm the reset. Your TV will ask for confirmation. If your TV has a parental code, enter it. Default is usually 0000. Then select Reset. Step 5. Wait for restart. Your TV will turn off and back on automatically. This may take a couple of minutes, so don't unplug it. When it restarts, it will be just like a brand new TV out of the box. Ready for setup. Your Vizio TV has now been factory reset. Remember, this erases all your apps, accounts, and Wi-Fi settings, so you'll need to set it up again from scratch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.